Welcome to BHMA. This is a short video showing you how to fit our heavy duty transit wheels to any A-board or pavement sign. It's as simple as lean it and it's on the move. Firstly, position your wheel assembly, making sure that the wheel touches the floor but doesn't touch the leg of the board. Mark the holes with a pencil. Make sure those holes are vertical, one above the other. Using a number 8 drill bit and a drill, carefully drill right through the leg. Repeat for the bottom hole also. Make sure the bolt fits. It might need a small tap. Assemble the wheel bearing, pop through the bolt and then through the leg, top and bottom. Once the bolts are through, tighten the nuts with a spanner. Job done. Now simply lean it and wheel it. Thanks very much for watching.